Today we are taking a look at the Sharp Roku TV. It is a full HD 1080p TV, 50 inches. It has a simple, intuitive interface. 500,000 plus movies and TV episodes. Not always true. Fast and easy search like my ex-wife. Great for cable, antenna, TV, and streaming. Fast wireless for smooth streaming. Ooh, I like it smooth. And mobile app with casting, so you can cast your Android. Not so sure about Apple, they're very picky. You can basically stream your cell phone screen, apps, what have you, to this television. It's much like the Philips TV 4K HD, except this one's 1080p, and it comes with a Roku, not to be confused with Goku from Dragon Ball Z, remote control as well as a regular control. This was $229 at Best Buy, and it has all of these terrible apps pre-built into it. It is the model, since people always ask what is the model, the LC-50LB601U model. Make sure you have that typed up, or just keep replaying this over and over again. Apparently there are some reviews saying that it doesn't come with a regular remote. I don't know whether I believe that or not, because it is standard for TV unless corporate greed America strikes again. In which case, well, you're going to have to scroll through numbers rather than typing them on a remote, because corporate greed America is the cheapest of all America. Of all, I guess, nations. They're corporate greedy to the extreme. And we're going to see, you have the two leg stands. They are metal and plastic, polymer combined, because cheap. A wooden block. Wooden block. Child safety. And another one. Another Roku. Wait. Oh, that's your old one. I thought that was...
No, but I'm going to have to check to make sure that it's got another...
So here's the Roku.
They need my help.
Actually, I don't even know where it is.
I'm telling you, there's only one remote.
Usually remotes are on the bottom.
Well, I read the review. It said there's no way to punch in numbers. I'm not doing that shit.
You could get a universal remote at Walmart.
I'm not doing that. If I got a brand new TV, I better have a remote on it. Keep all that stuff.
What is with the wooden slabs?
I don't know. Just make sure
I
everything...
for shock vibration, don't call me a retard. I know a lot of people call me a retard in my other TV review when I was just joking around. There's a... Oh. Power cable. You get the batteries for a non-existent remote. Actually, hang on. We can just read this.
It doesn't have numbers.
We'll read this and see where it says, because it'll say if you take it.
Tomorrow.
I told you Sharp is one of the
Why would they do that?
cheap corporate America. Let me try this. Includes... Oh. Includes Roku TV remote, TV stand, TV feet, power cord, Phillips screwdriver,
Who wants to do that?
and
No.
remote.
Yeah, forget that. You don't even have to take it
Well,
no farther.
This is going back.
Oh my God.
They're so cheap in corporate America that they no longer include regular remotes. You have to do it on an on-screen pop-up with a little keyboard and type it in that way.
Screw that. No.
And as you can tell, we already have another person's opinion, and they don't like it. And, well, a lot of people are going to be like, well, show us a test of the effing TV. All right, here's a test right now.
Very hard to hold. This TV is much
Okay,
heavier than
YouTube, here it is. Don't know if you can see it. Probably not. I can't see I have my thing on it. You have Netflix, Sling, Now, Hulu, play, pause, reverse, forward, go back 10 seconds, star, night mode, arrows, okay, back, home, power, and your volume keys Right here, down, up, and mute. There are no number keys. A lot of people are mad. It did come with the 2 batteries made by Kehoe, a company I've never heard of, which probably means that they're cheaper than a $2 hooker. This is like a week after the unboxing because, well, let's just say it's a week after the unboxing. And I hope I put these in correctly. You get English, Dutch, Espanol, Francis. Okay, that works. Has a cool little beep. Asks you where you live. Sounds like typing on an iPhone. Set up for home use, set up for store use. Wireless network, I'm going to have to figure out. Let's see. Because you have to do this. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to have to continue in a second. You have to do this, otherwise you can't use the Hulu and crap. And a lot of people will be like, well, I don't need to. Yeah, you kind of do. No, you don't, Jake. Connected it via Wi-Fi. It's got to install an update. Updates are never fun for this kind of thing because you have to wait a really long time. Being that these came out, I don't think they came out too long ago. I need to see what it says on the box. I'm not seeing a date, but I assume it was in the last 5 years. Remotes are kind of cool. Small. Wish I had the numbers. Even tiny numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9 would be nice. But they did an interview with the guy who supposedly designed or is producing them. You know it's China. China's producing it, and they show a white guy. He said that, well, you have no need for the number buttons because, you just, people are, we've evolved away from number buttons on TV. We have, we don't need them anymore. We're smart. We're evolved monkeys. Yeah, he said it like that. It's really because they're cheap. They're cheap asses. And adding numbers with the inking and stuff costs a tiny bit. It costs 5 cents more per button. But I do kind of think that's kind of cool. Kind of stupid too, but kind of cool. I mean, what if your right hand you're holding? I guess that would work. But what if like you're holding, you got big fat meaty hands and you go to grip the remote and then boom, you turn the volume all the way up, scare your mistress while your wife is sleeping. Try and get some Netflix and chill. But anyway, I will start this as soon as it finishes updating. Once you get your account linked on RokuLink.com, it adds a whole bunch of crap that you'll never use, such as Netflix. I mean, nobody uses that anymore. It adds YouTube, it adds Prime Video, and it takes forever. They have a whole bunch of nerdy crap, like tuning the hyperdrive and flushing out the flux capacitors, crap like that, and you have to wait an ungodly long amount of time in order to get to regular TV. Test of the TV. Of course, we're in a darker location. It's a darker day. It's raining outside. And it's on Netflix and chill. Hopefully they don't copyright this. This is Daredevil Season 2. Everyone watch it. Blah, blah, blah. It's been canceled. Yeah. But anyway, as you can see, this is... It's hard to do TV tests without actually seeing the TV, because through a camera you're gonna get high dynamic and low dynamic, like shadows are gonna take over and stuff. But yeah, this is just a short little test. It runs pretty well, 1080p.